Good morning, everyone. I am Jenver Castro. Today will be for the watching who the wins the today the Pugasong Antique for the governor, vice governor in Antique, SP members, and then also for the Pugasong is mayor, vice mayor, and then for the SP members who the win this. Today will be for gathered for the morning. It's morning for the 13 for the who the win this in this election. Let's see for the who's the win. Victor Condes, it's 8,534 votes. For the Susan Villar Scotty, it's the first win for the Vice Mayor Susan Villar Scotty, 7,463. And for the on-time Psycho, 7,215 is our second. For the win is Susan Scotty. And then for the SB members, 8 members. First is Boy Togonon. Second, Amay Magari. Third, Geraldine Pisayco. Fourth, Van Himmler Dala. Fifth, Gary Antoy. Renante Dava. 6, 7, Casmira de la Cruz. Number 8, Nonoy Bantolo. Congratulations for the win the elections. And then for the next, for the SP members. SP members for the in the Antique for the governor. Let's see for the who the wins in Antique. Who's the win this in the governor? For the governor, vice governor. Let's see it. Kamayad nga aga sa gid para kung magpamana nga sino kadaag for the win for this, who the win it will be for the Mio of the municipality of Bugasong for the work the local governments and for the governor and for the politician in the San Jose de Buena Vista Antique. Let's check for this. Let's see, check for this. And for the senators, who the win this is a partial. For not who the swing. The first is Bongo, Bam Aquino, De La Rosa Bato, Erwin Tolfo, Kiko Pangilingan, Rodante, Marcoleta, Ping Lacson, Tito Soto, Pia Cayetano, Camille Villar, Lito Lapid, Amy Marcos for the win. Congrats everyone. And then for the senador, for the governor in the Antique, Politician in the Antique. Let's see, check it. Let's see for the mayor. For the win is Susan Escote. And for the governor. And the win this governor is for the win the governor is Paulo Javier. Vice Governor Genevieve Reyes. For the congressman A.E. Legarda. SP members Dimamay, Pisayco, Jo Marie, Noel Alamis, Baby Gasro Prokerto, Kap Nonong, Alohipan. Congratulations everyone. See you thank you for the watching this video in this for the blog. Now for please see Jenver Castro interviews for the WWPH that the https search for the interview jenvercasto.com and then subscribe in this video the YouTube channel, the Jenver Castro Talk channel, and for the page interview with Jenver Castro. Thank you so much and God bless.